Let's be honest, you've been saving, you've been pressing neck and cutting your expenses. But every time you check your balance in your traditional bank, it feels like the money is shrinking. In March 2026, saving money in a regular Tier 1 bank is no longer just low interest. It is actually a financial loss. While the CBN has set the interest rate at 26 not 50%, your big bank is probably still giving you 4 to 5% a year. If inflation is 15 to 20%, you're losing purchasing power every single day. Today, I'm showing you the secret high yield account that 7 Nigerians are using to actually beat inflation. We're talking 22 to 28% interest rate. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to move your money to start earning daily. Have you ever walked into one of those massive banks in VI or Abuja? The high ceiling, the freezing AC, the expensive marble floors. It feels like wealth, right? But here's a part they don't tell you. You paid for that marble. Now imagine you take 100k of your hard-earned money and save it in your regular bank. The bank smiles, give you a fancy app and say, thank you, we'll keep the save. But behind the scene, a magic trick is happening. While they are giving you 4% interest, which barely buys a loaf of bread in December, by December rather, they're taking that 100k and lending it to a business owner at 30% interest rate or 35% interest rate. They make 26,000 naira profit using your money and give you back 4,000. But wait, the story even gets crazier. By the time you suppress the quarterly card maintenance fee, the SMS alert for every transaction, and the 7.5% VAT the government just added to electronic fees in January 26, that 4k interest has vanished. In fact, if you don't touch that account for a year, you might actually end up with less money than you started with. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole at the bottom. The bank is not just a safe box, they are a business. And I don't know this is their business model depends on you being afraid or being too loyal to move your money. Now that you know why you need to move your money, let's talk about where. I have vetted dozens of apps, and these are the 5 that are actually delivering on their promises this month. The first one we have PiggyVest. This one is called the Discipline Master. You know, it's the OG. If you struggle with itchy fingers, that urge to spend your money on a whim, this is for you. Their SafeLock feature is currently offering up to 22% interest per annum. Now, here's the strategy. You lock your money away for 30 days to 2 years. You cannot touch it. All right? PiggyVest allows you to collect your interest upfront. If you lock 1 million naira today, you can get your interest immediately to pay for something else while your capital stays safe. Next is PayPay. While many people use this for just transfer, their smart earning and cash box are powerhouses. They're currently matching that 22% interest rate, but with a twist. Unlike a bank that makes you wait a month, PayPay pays you daily. This is the perfect home for your emergency fund. It is liquid enough to use if your car breaks down, but high yield enough that is actually growing while it sits there. If you have a larger sum of money, maybe you just sold a car or saved up your 13th monthly salary, red money is a heavyweight. In 2026, they have pushed their rainfall rate as big as 28% per annum for long-term locks. Wow, this is for serious wealth building. See, let me tell you, red money is perfect for sinking funds. Money you would need in exactly 1 year for rent or school fees. At 28%, you are essentially getting a massive discount on your future expenses. For those of you who want the best of both worlds, banking reliability and high yield, Moniepoint is the one. They recently updated their personal savings to offer up to 17.5% interest rate. Now, it is extremely fast. Their app really has downtime. Now, use your save as you spend feature. Every time you buy data or pay for lunch, the app rounds up the charge and puts it in your saving. You won't even feel it, but by December, you'll be shocked at what you have built. Finally, there's Carbon. Their cash vault is currently at 20% interest, and Carbon is unique because saving with them builds your credit report. Now, if you plan on taking a business loan in the future to start whatever business you have in mind, save here. You're earning 20% interest rate while simultaneously proving to their system that you are a low risk borrower. That's a double win. You're already asking in your mind, Jadis, these interest rates are too good to be true. What if the app disappears tomorrow? Is this another MMM? Let's get one thing straight. A Ponzi scheme pays you with other people's money. A high yield savings account pays you because they are lending your money to verified businesses and sharing the profit. But even then, how do you know your specific money is safe? Now, every app I mentioned today is regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. They aren't just random apps on the Play Store. They either hold a microfinance bank license or a mobile money operator license. This means the CBN monitors their books every single month. If they are not healthy, the CBN steps in long before you even notice. Now, this is the big one. The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, as of 2026, the NDIC has significantly increased their coverage to protect us. If you save with a platform that has a commercial bank or MMO license, your money is insured up to 5 million naira. If it's with microfinance bank, you're covered up to 2 million naira. This means if the bank collapses tomorrow morning, the INDIC is legally bound to pay you that insured amount back. For everything above that limit, you get what is called a liquidation dividend as the bank asset out sold off. Now, this is my test for the new apps. Information without action is just entertainment. I don't want you to watch this video and go back to your 4% bank account. I want us to take this 30-day challenge together. Look at your bank statement, see how much interest you earned last month versus how much you charge in fees. Pick one app we discussed today. Don't overthink it. Move just 10,000 naira or 20k, something you don't need immediately, into a high yield saving account. Set up a daily save of even just 500 naira. By the time you watch my next video, you would already see the daily interest eating your account. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.